Everything is falling apart. That's what you told yourself this morning, right? Your alarm didn't go off. You spilled coffee on your shirt. Your boss was mad. Your friend didn't text back. And now you're here, feeling like the universe is against you. But what if I told you you can change everything in just 3 seconds? It's called the but technique. You acknowledge the bad, then add a but with gratitude. Here's how it works. When something bad happens, your brain automatically finishes the story in the worst way possible. I messed up the presentation, and now everyone thinks I'm incompetent. She didn't reply because she hates me. Your brain is a storyteller, and it loves drama. But here's the thing. You're writing that story, and you can rewrite it in 3 seconds. Just add one word, but. Watch this. I messed up the presentation, but I learned what not to do next time. She didn't reply, but maybe she's just busy, or maybe this isn't my person. I missed the bus, but it's a sunny day and I can listen to my podcast. I spilled coffee on my shirt, but at least I have coffee and a shirt. See what just happened? You didn't ignore the bad thing. You didn't pretend it didn't hurt. You just refused to let your brain finish the story in the worst way possible. I learned this technique on the worst day of my life. I lost my job. My relationship ended. I felt like I lost everything. I sat in my car and said out loud, "Everything is falling apart." And then I stopped myself. Everything is falling apart, but I'm still breathing, but I still have today. But this is not the end of my story. That one word didn't fix everything, but it gave me a crack of light. And that's all you need. One crack, one but, one rewrite. Because your worst day isn't your whole story. It's just one chapter. So next time something goes wrong today, tomorrow, next week, don't fight it. Don't run from it. Just pause, take 3 seconds, and say, "This happened." But then finish that sentence with truth, with kindness, with possibility. You are not your bad day. You are how you respond to it. And sometimes all it takes is one word, 3 seconds, one choice to turn your story around. So go ahead, rewrite it. You've got this. But first, believe you do.